Hi everyone. Let's talk cages. Cages for dogs. So, wooden cage and metal cage. Which is better? Let's talk about that. So, what I think is that the wooden cage is so beautiful, so comfortable, and it can fit with any design of your home. So it's just like a little end table, but in reality it's a cage. There's my chihuahua. Hi. Hi, little one. Which cage do you like more? Do you like the wooden or your pink metal cage? Do you want to say something about it? Come on, tell me. Oh, you like both. Okay, I see. Okay, she said she likes both. Okay, let's see which one do you like more. Oh, she likes that one too. Isn't it comfortable, huh, Lulu? And that is her toilet. There's a metal bar which separates like a bedroom and a toilet. She uses that toilet really, really rare. In like extreme cases, if she wants to go to the bathroom badly. At night maybe. She did a couple of times. And there's a cat water. So, you like this one, huh? A pink girl likes a pink cage. Okay, yeah, I like it too. It's really nice. You got like 2 rooms in there. Let's show people. There's a toilet and a bedroom. But this metal cage, like, you should like hide somewhere, because it's not really goes with your design inside of the home, like with the furniture. It looks a little bit weird to have a cage in the middle of the room or whatever. So that's why I prefer this wooden cage. It's beautiful. There's her house. It's very roomy. Yeah, just like a end table. So, what do you think, guys? You can subscribe and leave your comments below. Let's discuss which cage do you like more. Yeah, this wooden cage is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. But my chihuahua loves both of them. So you choose this one, huh? You like your pink one better. Okay. Whatever you say. This one is better. Yeah, Shane. That one is sure better.